Here's one I picked up a couple weeks ago. It's going to be a 1950s Montgomery Ward Model 185A. And this one was made in Japan. It's in really good condition. Has a few issues. For one, you're not winding the bobbin with this. I'll get a close-up of that, but that wheel is destroyed. And the belt is extremely loose. I don't know if it's stretched. It's a rubber one, so I might have to replace that. It's a straight stitch, and like I said, it's super clean. Let me unplug it here. It came in a cabinet, so this is real short for a foot pedal. I can't really use my foot with it, but here's the back side. When you buy a machine in a cabinet, that's the first thing you see is the back side of it, because it's laying down and it's just it's filthy. And I thought, oh man, this thing's bad. But when I pulled it up out of the cabinet, I saw the front, and I thought, oh, it's not too bad. It's pretty clean. It's just the back's dusty from sitting for so long. Okay, and then the gotta get a shot of that bobbin winder. It's destroyed. There's no hope for this one. And that belt, yeah, I can see the belt's all cracked. Yeah, it's, you can see that in the video, but that belt's cracked beyond use. It looks like we have 115 volt, 1.15 amps, and that is made in USA. So, like I said, it's not in bad shape. I can't complain. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, change that belt, and it turns on, it runs. So we'll see how she does. It did come with the owner's manual, which I like. And again, there's nothing in here with a year or anything. Just your basic operating instructions, name of the parts that you may need. And of course, you have the 20-year warranty. First year covers everything. And then after that, you're good for 19 years on almost everything. They're saying, there's some things you have to expect. It's going to be worn out. So for the most of the part, they're covered for 19 years after your first year. So pretty good warranty. And then we have this little sticker. Any information you need if you're going to write to them about anything, it's right there. And underneath, looking pretty good. Little dust gathering everywhere, lint. Need your basic cleaning, but it's not horrible. I've seen way worse. Okay, I put the new belt on. I really didn't record that because there's really nothing to it. It just slides over down in that groove. And same with this new bobbin wheel. This one's a little bit cracked. I've had it a while, but it's the biggest one I had that'll fit. This one came with that Singer kind you get at Walmart. Too small, but I had an older one. So I'm gonna wind the bobbin. Okay, that'll be enough. And so according to the instructions for this one, this thread goes in. If it's showing up, shooting off to the left there. And that's that. Okay, now we'll run, thread this, got the post on the top. And then there's a guide over here, right there. And we're going to come around our thread tension. Grab our spring. Okay, that's in. Do our take up arm. And then we have a little guide here. That. And then one down here at the needle, and then it's ready to go through the needle. Okay, the light works. Like I said, this foot pedal isn't long enough to reach to the floor, so I'm going to try to do it with my hand, see how she sews. Well, it sews. Yeah, that's the old needle. Because I didn't even clean it up yet. I just like to see, what I'm getting into. So I know it sews, so it's worthy of going to the next step. That's going to be cleaning it all up, getting all that lint and dust out from underneath, and oiling it up, and it's going to be ready to go. So that's that one.